Aaron here for the Love of Tech, and today we have the DJI Microphone 2. That's right, it's Mic 2 by DJI, and I actually have the Mic 1 right here with us today, and I want to go ahead and take a look at this original Butte and kind of compare it to the new generation, if you will. So that's what we're going to do now. Let's get into it. So let's go ahead and take a look at where we came from. So here we have two transmitters, one receiver. There we go. Two transmitters, one receiver. We have the USB-C that we keep on there full time now, because now this one works for Android or iPhone. But it also came with a lightning cable if you got an older school iPhone. So don't think that that isn't for you. And I'm sure the new one's gonna have the lightning too, so don't be too worried about it. But that's all we're gonna do to look at this. We'll get into the rest of that later. Next, let's go ahead and take a look at this. I'm bringing back my dangerous unboxing knife, if you will. Now, my last DJI mic I gave to Gabe to use, and he's been using it pretty consistently, and I wanted to take it back from him, but the other day I was like, man, I can't take it back from him. I'll just go order me a new one. So I go to get a new one, and boom, there's the Mic 2 sitting there just waiting for me to order it. So let's go ahead and take a look again. Old, right there, new. So this is clearly an upgraded case. Wowzers. This, actually, I think this came with the case too. It wasn't that exciting. This looks a lot more exciting. So let's go ahead and open this up. We've got some gizmos in here. Oh, wow. So we've got this, and then we've got a whole bunch of goodies inside. So let's go ahead and take a look at this. We've got the audio cable to connect the audios, always a good thing to have. Then we've got some silicone stuff. Don't eat it, guys. Then we've got our little our fuzzy kitten. You know what that's for. Now over here we've got another fuzzy kitten. Why? Because we got two microphones. That is why. And then we've got a USB-C to a USB cable, just in case you are in the prehistoric days. The biggest feature upgrade, in my opinion, between the two of these, between this one and this one, is this one has a noise cancellation feature, which I'm dying to try out. So let me go ahead and tuck all these goodies away. Let's save my silicone snack for later, and let's go ahead and do some sound tests. The way that we're going to do it is easy peasy. First of all, press and unlock. Okay, so we've got let's explore this case before we do the sound test. Look at this. That's legit. Nice little clicky click action. We like a click. Here we've got a little snappy snap, right? Holds it up, but this locks it, so there ain't no boo-boo you're gonna make. See, doesn't even come out when you press it. See, I'm pressing it. Doesn't come out. So you got to do it, and you got to physically flip it. So that's good. This has got a little bit of a charge to it. Definitely enough of a charge for us to do a sound test. So here we go. We're going to go ahead and open that up and flip that up. And when we pull these out, these should come on automatically, and everything should pair together. So just going ahead and looking at this, you can see the levels are going on both of them right there. And I'm talking. I'm going to go ahead and put this one back in the case, and you see that one disappears. And you can actually see the levels as I'm talking. Testing, 1, 2. Testing, 1, 2, 3. So we're going to go ahead and put that one in and pull this one out, and you see how quickly it pulls up. You see how quick that is? Look at that. Already ready to go. That quick. Zoom! Like laser fast. So the next thing we want to go ahead and do is we want to test out the active noise cancellation. So give me a moment while I figure out how to do that. Now, in order to create some noise in the background and keep the voice kind of going, if you will, I'm going to go ahead and play some white noise and see if the active noise cancellation can kind of fuzz it out. To go ahead and do that, we're going to go to a YouTube video and look for some white noise. All right, so there's something right there kind of in the background, and we'll see how good it actually does as far as isolating. So to go ahead and get this to record, we have it set that when it comes out, it just auto records, and we like it. So we are recording on this device right here. Testing, 1, 2, 3. Testing, 1, 2, 3. This is me testing active noise cancellation, white noise. Put that in, it turns off automatically, put that away, set it aside, and now we're gonna go ahead and lift this up, have that going, pull this out. Now, I'm pretty sure I don't even need the transmitter out for this. All I gotta do is have this open, and then I gotta hit the record button, and it starts recording, and the transmitter is indicating this is now recording. You can see that it lights up nice and big and red that it is recording. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that here. Testing, 1, 2, 3. Testing active noise cancellation, white noise. Testing, 1, 2, 3. Now we're gonna go ahead and turn on the active noise cancellation. Boom, there we go. Active noise cancellation is now on. Testing, 1, 2, 3. Testing, 1, 2, 3. Testing active noise cancellation, white noise from YouTube. Let's see at how well this DJI mic active noise cancellation goes ahead and filters out that white noise that we have going on right over there. So let me go ahead and get into it. Time to edit.
3 hours later.
That's pretty good, guys. That's pretty good. That's worth buying. If you're like, I'm sorry, if you've got this, what DJI, I don't know what it stands for. What DJI just did is they brought you innovation. They brought you features. They brought you options. They brought you a new case. They brought you a professional feeling in case. This thing makes me feel like I'm legit. And you know, you can still put it in there, right? And you can listen in there, and it's gosh, I can't wait to do a better review on the difference between the two of these, because I want to bring so much more to you guys other than the outside and active noise cancellation. But I'm only going to do it if you guys express a desire for me to actually make the video comparing this. So if you want to see that video, if one person out there wants to see me make that video, leave me a comment, make sure I see it, and I'll go ahead and make that video for you. Guys, thanks for watching. Till next time, like, comment, subscribe. For the love of tech, namaste.